If you have a ton of tech inside your household, keeping them all well connected at high speeds anywhere in the home can be a challenge. And if you're looking for a solution, the Dynalink AXE10200 is a great option as a whole home Wi-Fi mesh system. Packed with a ton of features, the AXE10200 supports the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E technology, is able to gain tri-band speeds up to 10,200 megabits per second, and provide an extended coverage range of 6,000 square feet, which will allow you to stay well connected in a large home while maintaining super fast internet speeds. The system works by plugging the router into your modem, then connecting the included mesh extender to a portion of the house that needs the extra coverage. Setup is done through the Dynalink app, where you can adjust every aspect of the experience, from the profile-based parental controls to the WPA3 security protocols, and you can even make adjustments to the guest Wi-Fi network, all via the included app. This is a great way to easily make changes on the go and is super helpful for those not familiar with setting up home network equipment. Personally, I don't consider myself to be an expert when it comes to routers and home network tech, but with the app, I was able to completely set up this Wi-Fi mesh system in less than a few minutes, and the Wi-Fi extension unit only took a few taps to get it going as well. In regards to internet capabilities, the AXE10200 does support Wi-Fi 6E that should make multi-device connectivity much more seamless, while also being able to provide improved performance. Not to mention, we also have access to the newer and much more stable 6 GHz band, support for the 60 MHz channel, and Wi-Fi 6E backhaul, all being powered by the Qualcomm Maple CPU, which runs on a dual-core 1 GHz 64-bit process. On top of all of that, the AXE10200 is capable of connecting up to 200 devices per unit and is able to support 10 simultaneous Wi-Fi streams at once. Overall, I find the AXE10200 to be a great addition to any home network system, especially if you're in a household that needs a wider Wi-Fi connectivity range, has a ton of devices that need reliable connection, or just want to experience the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E technology. In my household, I was able to extend coverage to every corner of my home and even deep into the backyard, where my previous router straight from Verizon could never even get close. And at an on-sale price of $199, this is one of the most feature-packed home mesh networking units on the market today. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description where you can get one for yourself, and huge thank you to Dynalink for sponsoring this 9 to 5 Google video.